If your hair is sensitive to protein, then this video is for you. It's going to grow your hair and you're going to reap all the benefits of the protein in the content without the effect of the protein on your hair. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama, Natural Hair Superstar. I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe, and also stay subscribed. Welcome in today's video, and our very first ingredient, superstar, will be the rice. You can use any rice, brown rice, or any rice that you have access to. As you can see, I'm using this normal rice. Rice is very good at growing hair, and it's a very nice strengthening protein treatment for the hair. So we are also going to be using cactus, some fenugreek seeds, and some cloves. So this is the fenugreek seed. Here are the cloves, the one I mentioned before. As you can see, for those who don't know how cloves looks like, this is how cloves looks like. This is a very powerful herb when it comes to hair growth. It's really good at strengthening the hair and making your hair superstar. Clove is really good at promoting hair growth, adding shine to your hair, treating dandruff, preventing premature graying, stops hair loss, clean and thickening the scalp, and it's also very good at helping your hair to lock in the moisture. As you know, for your hair to grow, you need to have a balance between moisture and protein. Also, cactus has many potential benefits for the hair due to its high nutrient in content. These benefits includes promotion of soft hair, strong hair, healthy hair and scalp, faster hair growth, and less hair loss. It can also reverse heat damage as well as protect your hair from the effects of the sun. Cactus are great sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, and also contains iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3. Superstar, cactus is high in fatty acid, which are great for hair growth and hair development. Also, we are going to be using fenugreek. Fenugreek is another protein pack herb which is really good at fighting dandruff. It's also going to promote hair growth, prevent premature graying, reduces hair loss, and also it's going to add shine to your hair. Fenugreek seeds contain fiber, protein, carbs, iron, fats, manganese, and also magnesium. So it's really good for the hair. However, the rice itself has so many benefits. Rice water is famous for growing hair in different cultures for so many centuries. But also it has a bunch of benefits, like it's really good at detangling your hair, makes your hair smooth, increasing shine, making your hair strong, and also helping your hair to grow. Rice water is going to help your hair grow long. Also, we are going to wash the rice before we use it, so we can add the rest of the properties and add water in the bowl. This rice water contains amino acid, the B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. So it's really powerful when it comes to hair rejuvenation and hair development. It's going to stimulate sleeping hair follicles, and it's going to help blood circulation on your scalp, hence to hair growth. Also, you might be thinking, all these protein loaded herbs, why do we need them? Because in order for our hair to grow, we need to have a balance between protein and moisture balance. So we are not going to eliminate protein just because we have protein. Despite being protein sensitive hair, we all need protein. Like Some of us may need less protein because maybe you have healthy hair, low porosity hair, or protein overloaded hair, or coarse textured hair, or relaxed hair. This healthy hair has minimum holes in the hair cuticles, and some low porosity hair has cuticles that lay flat. Coarse textured hair has enough protein of its own, so we still need protein to maintain the healthy protein moisture balance, just less often or smaller size portion of protein. That's why we are using these cactus, fenugreek, cloves, and some rice, just to have a minimum sized protein, as well as to obtain the moisture balance between protein and moisture, so you can balance them up. A while ago you saw me scratching the mixture. That is to help the rice to leave the starch in the water, so you can obtain the strengthening properties of the rice in the water that we're going to use. We're going to cover it up and leave it for 30 minutes, because 30 minutes to 1 hour, that's reasonable enough for it to absorb and to infuse into the water all the content from the cloves, fenugreek, the rice, and the cactus as well. Also,
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has
to filter the mixture and separate the water from the rest of the content. We're going to use the water to rinse, or you can also use it and wear a plastic bag or a shower cap or a heat cap, or even sit on a steamer for at least 30 minutes for the nutrients to penetrate your hair cuticles, so you can gain all the benefits. However, the remaining mixture, you can still use it. I'm going to show you in this video that's following how to use this, because I'm going to prepare a protein treatment, aka rice water pro max, with this remainings for people who are going to be less protein sensitive. First, be sure to click the video to learn how I make the rice water pro max. Also, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, please let me see you in my next video, because here I'm going to show you how to make a potent rice water. So be sure to click it, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.